In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can see accounts' former usernames on Instagram. You can simply see someone's previous usernames ever since they joined Instagram. To do this, simply open up your Instagram account. On the profile page, tap on these three lines right here and then head into your settings and privacy. On the settings page, you will have to scroll down onto the option of About. Then select About your account. Right here tap on the last option of Former Usernames. You will see all names you have been using before ever since you joined Instagram. You can also check other accounts' former usernames when you just click on About this account right here. That's how easy it is to see usernames ever since you joined Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.